Virginia, where it can go from 65 degrees to 25 and snowy in the matter of not very long. Oi, I'm LilBJessup. In this video, I'm going to be fixing the golf cart's engine mount issues and locking the differential. So the last time we had the golf cart out, you may have realized that the chain was like rubbing and it was making some grinding noise and it didn't really go. So now we're going to fix that problem. So the chain, you can see, is hitting the torque converter. So that whole engine kind of tweaked because the bolts aren't long enough. So what I am doing is going from a shorter bolt to a longer bolt with a lock washer and washers. That'll allow more clamping force on the actual engine and plate. And this one, it wouldn't even thread in very far. So it would vibrate loose. So gone with that. This will fix the problem. So I just got it all bolted up and I spun the wheels to check it, and I just realized something unfortunate. So when I put it in gear and spin it, both tires will spin, but if I grab a tire and stop it, look at that. She's a one-wheel peel. We can't have that. Another way to check is to suspend it, and if they rotate opposite directions, you got yourself an open differential. Might as well just be nothing, you know. What good is that off-road? So we're gonna see if we can tighten that up. Isn't this just the cutest little differential? I'm really curious as to what the oil looks like, or if there is any. Probably not. That's a lot of gears in there. Oh, is this how you fill it? It's like a little rubber grommet. That's pretty cool. Spider gears. Yeah, we'll have to alleviate some of that. Alright, so it looks almost like a tractor transmission in there. Like this right here would be like the bull gear, I guess. But yet it has a, if there's no pinion that I can see, everything's just kind of in there. So that's pretty neat. Definitely a lot of stuff that you don't want to get metal shavings on, slag on, but we'll see what we can do with what we got. Now it'll be good. Let's let that fumigate for a second. Now when you're welding a differential, make sure there's nothing flammable under it. I left the drain pan under the differential with some brake clean in it, and boy, that thing lit up like a candle. Woo! Surprised me. And the GoPro battery died right when I did it. I had to flip it over to stump the air out because it was like shooting out of that plastic bin. So I flipped it over onto the floor and suffocated the fire. Because, you know, oil fires, they don't, you know, they just burn. So I got lucky there. But now I'm gonna weld it. Let's see if I can get her to go this time. No big whooshes. So here's the finished product. She's all welded up. It's ugly, but I cleaned it out, so there's probably not much slag left inside the housing. But when you spin it, look at that. Both wheels. We have a locker and a golf cart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up with oil, and I'll run this oil just for a little bit, and then I'll change it again to get any of the extra metal fragments out, and just keep an eye on it because I don't want this thing to completely destroy itself. But yeah, let me get this all buttoned back up and we'll fill her up. So now if I was planning to actually lock this axle before, you know, working on it, I would have bought some good gear oil. But what I do have is I have a little bit of this Valvoline 8090, got some of this STP 8090, and some of this SuperTech 85 140. This is for like the wheel horse. These are all like varying levels, so they'll do. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Ooh. Boy, that sounds like Taco Bell to me, doesn't it? Ooh. Yep. I believe we're full. So, perfect. I got a good amount of this, a good amount of the thick stuff, so that should blend up and be like a synthetic blend. We're gonna let her idle up and warm up, because it is, even in the garage with the fire going, it's cold. So she is running like a dream right now. We're gonna climb this hill, which on its own isn't too bad, but add the snow to it. We're just gonna see if we can crawl up it, because last time I just had to do it with some steam to get her from spinning. So let's see if we can get up here. Man, she launches hard even in the snow. Let's see if she can go up here. That's pretty impressive. She hooks right up. But anyways, let's go see if she can drift better. Huh. It doesn't do donuts like I thought it would, but man, she hooks. She can grip. So I'm kind of shocked that it doesn't do donuts right now. I don't know if I'm not getting full throttle or what. But she does have endless traction. What, you guys really think I was going to give up that easy on doing donuts? I got the slicks out. I don't know if it was lack of power or too much traction to not be able to do donuts. I think it's too much traction. These tires grip excellently in the snow, and they're aired way down. And instead of airing them up, I'll just put the slicks on, because I know those don't grip a dang thing. So we're going to be sliding around here in a second. Some things just don't look right. Ugh. DB the tire. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Dang. Does your chain hang low? Does it lay on the ground? Well, we appear to have lost the master link, so that was a pretty good rip though. Man, a lock differential is a lot of fun. those knobbies have a crap ton of grip, more so than this engine makes power. So you either add more power or take away the grip and you have a monster. The belt broke on it. Are you kidding me?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Well, broken chain might not be the only thing we're dealing with here. The axle's got a case of the crutches. Everything works. It's just that she doesn't sound good. And it kind of binds up every now and again. Maybe don't weld your rear axle. I'm gonna get this fixed though, so the golf cart will be back in some way, shape, or form. I gotta get ready for work, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Oh geez. Thought the oil was supposed to stay in the axle, not go around it. Oh no. Oh no.